So here are the best YouTube automation niches that you should start in 2024. And I know what you're thinking, why should I listen to this guy? Well, I've made over $1 million doing celebrity news and top 10 YouTube channels. And I have over 1 million subscribers across all of my YouTube channels. And I've been doing this since 2018, so yes, I know what I'm talking about. So I was going on YouTube and I was checking out other YouTube channels and seeing what they said were the best niches. Half of them were 30-minute videos and they were just sales funnels for their courses. So I won't do any of that. This is gonna be a very, very fast video. I'm just gonna get straight to it and show you guys what it is. So number one, celebrity news. Obviously that's the niche that I'm in. I've been making over $15,000 every single month for like the last 2 years doing this niche. And I think it's personally one of the best ones to start, especially if you're a beginner, because if you go and do like crypto or business, which I don't have in this list because I don't think it's good. If you go into those niches, you're going to need to spend a lot of money in editing, a lot of money in scripts because it needs to be high quality, right? The type of audience that is searching for that content is, I mean, it's no secret. They're way smarter than people who are looking for celebrity news videos, right? So not only is it easier to clickbait people who are looking for celebrity news, but it is easier to keep them watching for longer because, you know, they're a little bit easier to fool is what I'm saying. So the first channel, and I'm going to add these channels for you guys so you guys can add them into the list of your competitors either on vidIQ or you can just write them down and you can just make sure every single day that you're checking what they're posting and then just remaking it. Now, if you're not familiar with the strategy that I use in order to create these videos, click on, I'm not sure what YouTube video it is. I only have like 5. So if you go back, you're going to see a YouTube video where I kind of explain the whole process on how to do this. So that's why I want to give you guys the YouTube channel names so you guys can keep track of them. The first one is called the Urbanoir, the Urbanoir, the Urbanoir. I don't know, but this channel is a very good one. They just posted a video 23 hours ago with 680,000 views, 34 minutes. I mean, this is probably not updated, so this is probably at 1,000 views, and you can just see their views, right? So keep this one in the chamber. This is another good YouTube channel that has been going on for a while in the celebrity news niche. It's called Just In, and they also get, you know, equally good views. The third one is going to be this channel called Spill Today. This is personally one of my favorite ones. They don't have, you know, viral videos every time, but I feel like their ideas are a little bit more in line with the type of stuff that I can make. So this is a very good channel to do. And then the last one is Celeb Live. This is still relatively a small channel, but they're posting consistently and they're getting a lot of views. So niche number 2, top 10 TV show moments. This one I personally made over $100,000 doing. I made videos about the TV show Pawn Stars, Undercover Boss. What was the other one? Hardcore Pawn. It was about the garage sale, the Storage Wars. That's what it was. So with those TV shows, I made a lot of money posting content on that, like top 10 moments of it. But here are some channels that I've personally copied in the past and that are currently doing really good in whatever TV show. The point is TV shows. This is the first one I want to show you guys. They do Hardcore Pawn. The views may not look that crazy to you guys, but look at the length. 18 minutes, 19 minutes, 1 hour, 23 minutes. So their RPM is insane. So per 1,000 views, they're probably making like $15, $20. And they post a lot. They post a lot of videos. So this is a very, very good one. So you can not only get your scripts from there, but you can also get the idea of thumbnail designs, right? So the Filmy is great. The next one I want to show you guys is called X-List. This one has also been around for a very, very long time. And these guys do Pawn Stars. It's the same thing as the other channel, but it's just a different TV show. And these guys are just printing money because the RPM in this niche is so good. You can make whatever videos you want. And there's always going to be an audience for that because the audience that watches these types of videos, at least for like History Channel and all that, they're a little bit older, right? We're talking about like 35 plus, right? Average being like 50, 60 years old. So those guys are very easy to keep entertained, right? So these channels are always very, very profitable, very evergreen, and I highly recommend it. I showed on my second to last video, one of these Pawn Stars videos was making me about $9,000 every single year, and that video was posted like in 2019. So next YouTube channel you should write down is called Trendmix. This one's a little bit, you know, kind of in the same line. They kind of mix it up between Pawn Stars and Hardcore Pawn. You know, it might not seem like impressive views, but when it all piles up and with the RPM, it's a lot of money per month. And last channel for this niche, I have Film Trip. I don't know if they're still active. Oh yeah, they are. So this channel is still very, very active. Again, not crazy views, but crazy paydays, especially when it all piles up. Now, third niche. This one is something that appeared recently, I'm gonna say within the last 6 months. Courtroom moments. Great niche. Let me show you guys some of the channels here. The first channel is Courtroom Consequences. This one is probably the best one in the niche. They don't post that much, but the videos that they do post are very, very long and good quality. Again, probably super high RPM, very, very good niche to start. I mean, 33 minutes, 29 minutes, 39 minutes, 42 minutes. These videos are very, very long. And if you look at them, if you watch them, it's very, very good quality. Now, the next one is called Courtroom. I'm sure you guys have heard of this one. Very, very popular YouTube automation creator owns this one. Hasn't posted in a while, but millions of views each one. I mean, just with this one 10 months ago, 8.1 million views. That was like, he probably made like 60,000-70,000 from it. No, $50,000-$60,000 from it. Maybe a little bit less, but I mean, he's living fine off that. And then, you know, he can take that break, upload again in like 2 to 3 months. So that is a great, great niche. Here is the last one. It's called Courtroom Investigation. Same thing as literally the last two channels. You can see the thumbnails are also very, very similar, and the length in videos. So this is another great example of another competitor that you should be adding if you're going to start in this niche. Now, the fourth niche is sports. This one, I'm going to mix it up a little bit. There are, you know, there's soccer or football, American football, golf, Formula One. You know, so many other sports that you can do. So I'm just going to go ahead and break down some of the ones that I've found and I think are very, very good. And if it's the sport you want your channel to be, you can go ahead and add them. So the first one is called Rebound. This one, I believe Mr. Beast owns this one. And you can also see by the video quality how expensive it is. Like the editing, everything about these channels are very, very well made, very good quality. And plus, they don't even post that much, like once every 2 months, once every month. I mean, wow. Every single time they post, it's guaranteed to get over 1 million views. So that's one channel. The next one that I found previously is called Lockdown K. This one, again, is not that crazy. It's not the same type of style as the last channel I showed you guys, Rebound. But look at the views. Look at the thumbnail style. Look at the titles. Look how easy it is to replicate this type of content. The only crazy thing that they do is the length of the video. But besides that, if you're starting off in the basketball niche, I wouldn't recommend trying to copy this, like Rebound. This is way too high quality. But if you dumb it down to this, basic thumbnails, basic titles with really, really long videos, you're guaranteed to start getting some results like this. This guy is for sure cashing out good money every single month. The next one I have is Hoopflix. Another one, same thing as Rebound. It's in the same ballpark. That's also a good one for you to add. This one is Rebound Football. So the same basketball channel started a YouTube channel for American football. Same thing. They're actually getting way more views in this one than they are in the basketball one. Or at least they're posting more. Very, very good. Very, very long videos. Again, cashing out minimum $8,000-$9,000 per video. And the last one I have here is Kickflix. I'm assuming same thing as Hoopflix. So I wouldn't even doubt if Mr. Beast owns all of these channels, because he does do YouTube automation and he has his own little group helping him create this. Another good one if you're into soccer or football. This is a great niche for you to copy. I've seen other YouTube channels exactly like this, but I don't have them written down. So this is the only one I have. Next niche. This is also a sport, but I personally think it deserves its own category because it kind of goes in the middle of sport news, celebrity news-ish, and sports. Right, so I put MMA and UFC in its own category. And I think boxing would also go in that same category. But just to show you guys some of the channels right now, MMA Zone, this one is, from my opinion, one of the OGs in this niche. And the views that they're getting. So this is a perfect channel. Again, very basic with the edits. I do believe, though, that it is a little bit higher quality with editing. But go ahead, watch the videos, and try to copy them yourself, right? Try to find that team, build that team with Fiverr or Upwork. Doesn't matter, but you should see it there. Next channel in that same niche is called MMA Talk. Same thing, great channel, great views, same style of thumbnails, kind of. It's very, very easy to replicate. And last but not least, it's Full Mount MMA. This is the biggest channel in this niche. I mean, look, 11 minutes ago, they posted it. They're already at 1.5 thousand views, which, by the way, this number is not updated. It's probably like around 2,000 to 3,000 views, which is insane for the first 11 minutes of this video. You can see how much they post, how many views they're getting. These three channels, in my opinion, is all you should be trying to replicate. Next niche, crime documentary style content. Personally, I'm not a huge fan of this one. I've seen a lot of people fail in this niche. I've never tried it myself, but I do know that a lot of people are, creating very successful YouTube channels with this. So yeah, first one, Beyond Evil. This is a channel that's kind of in the middle. You're gonna have to check it out yourself. but it's kind of like Rebound in all those other channels. Over 500,000 views per upload. In one day, this video got 141,000 views. That is insane. That is a couple grand a day. Okay, just letting you guys know right now, this channel is making $1,000 every single day. Next one I have is Explore With Us. This one is right in the middle, gets even more views. 7 million views in 1 month plus 3. Wow, 8.8 million views in 4 days. They just made $50,000 in 4 days. I mean, it seems worth it. For $50,000 in 4 days, I'm going to hop into that for sure. Yeah, so I'm going to be getting into this niche. So that's how you guys know I'm giving you guys the real sauce and the real niches that I like and I personally see succeeding, because I'm definitely hopping into this one for sure. And then the last one I have for this niche is true crime documentary. This one, same thing. All of the niches and all of the channels that I'm showing you guys right now are the top dogs in each niche, as you can tell by the views. And if you watch the last video that I made, all you have to do is copy them. It goes across the board. Doesn't matter what niche you're going to be going into. You want to make sure that you're copying every single one to the point where it's indistinguishable who's who, right? You want the viewer to be like, oh, I thought this was true crime documentary. I thought that's the YouTube channel I was watching. But instead, they were watching yours. You know what I mean? And last but not least, this niche, in my opinion, is one of my favorite ones so far. It's very similar to the crime documentary, but it is police body cams. So let me just very quickly start going through this. Code Blue Cam is the first channel I'm going to be showing you guys. Amazing views, great views, and the best thing about this niche is that it's super easy to make, because this is police body cam footage, and here in the US, if you're not from here, that's public information that you cannot copyright that. You know what I mean? So you can straight up, technically, don't take my word for it, but like download one of their videos, reorganize the clips of where they go, and you should be fine, because technically it is public information and you cannot get copyrighted for anything to do with public information, especially from the government. But this niche is amazing, super easy to do, not only because of where you can find the footage, but because you don't even have to talk that much, right? You can say 1 to 2 sentences every minute and just let the body cam footage play. Now, is it going to be entertaining? That's its own thing. Next channel in that niche is going to be Midwest Safety. Not very familiar with this one, but I have seen it, pop off recently. Same thing as last channel. And last but not least, Dr. Insanity. Everyone knows this channel. It's an automation channel. It's a channel that you can copy. Very easy thumbnails to make. It's just making really long videos. And I believe that's it. I might paste this doc into the descriptions just so you guys can go ahead and look at it on your own time, so you don't have to be skipping back and forth on this video. But yeah, that's about it. These are the top 7 niches that I personally think are going to be the most successful in 2024, maybe even 2025. I believe every single niche that I just mentioned is going to be very, very relevant within the next coming years. I mean, just looking at it, 3 of these niches have already been popular since 2018, since I started. And these new ones just appeared out of nowhere, and I personally feel like it's going to make a huge cultural impact, and it's going to be around for quite some time. So yeah, if you guys like this video, please go ahead and like and subscribe. If there's anything else you guys want me to mention or anything you guys need help on, let me know. I'll make a video on it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. And yeah, thanks for watching.